Where are we going?
River.
Who's going to catch all the fish?
Me. I can't.
I see you. Where do we need to go to catch the fish, Ari? Over here. The water's going fast today. Got any, Mika? How many you got? How many you... Let one escape.
Yeah.
It's so clear. Let's pull my shorts up a bit. Who's got a wet butt?
Me.
Ari got a wet butt. You got one, Ari? We do let them all go, just so you know. But Ari, the evil sea cabbages are over there. Should we go and look on this bit? I'm doing GoPro filming. Oh, there's loads of fishies here, Ari, loads. Right in front of Mummy. I won't walk any further because I don't want to catch them. That big rock just there. There's loads. There's a big rock, look, just there, baby. See, and there's lots of fishies in front of it. Oh, I want to swim. Normally you can't walk this far in the river. It's nowhere near shallow enough. Oh, there's loads here, Ari. Loads here, look. See? There's loads. Get them. You need to go lower than that, I think. Did you get one?
No.
No.
I think there's a bit too deep.
You need to go deeper for that. Yeah, we like paddleboard down here and you can't even touch the bottom with your oars. Like you can see where it goes up to normally, like up there. This is awesome. We've been down there as well and we paddleboarded down there, but this is where we usually swim. Well, there's loads here, Ari. Behind the rock, behind the big rock, there's loads. Foxy, you got a wet butt?
I really can swim.
Swim then, mate. I'll hold you out, you can swim.
You can swim.
Come then, we'll swim together. Anything, Ari? Got anything, Squeaks? You got? Did you dunk your butt?
I got sand.
It's sandy here, so I don't know if those rocks are put there.
You gonna swim? Ari's whole butt is wet. Mickey, you may as well swim now. We're back up this end again. The other end was too murky. Aria, what happened? Ari completely fell in. Foxy's coming to save us. Oh, hello, little boy. Hello. This bit's shallow, look.
Yeah, a big tree, yeah.
You done some good splashing, Foxy? Go get it, Mika.
They'll probably be gone by the time you get there.
I can't believe you fell in, Ari.
You okay?
One.
What you got, Foxy? Did you catch anything? Did you catch anything? What you got in your bucket? You got any fishies in there? No fishies in there? Who caught the fishies?
Me.
Ari did. Little tiny ones. You can catch some more, Ari? What are you, Foxy? Are you a swimming boy? Are you a swimming boy? Show me your swimming. Wow. Good job. Oh, you got your winky net back again.
I got big rock.
You caught a rock. Well done, Ari. It did. I pinky promise.
You swim.
Like, so we're going to go to the pub.
Are you getting changed?
No, I'm not getting changed because I'm not wet yet, but you're already soaked. So if you want to swim, now's your chance because you're going to school again soon, so you won't get to come to the river as much.